welcome to this guided meditation video. In this session, we will focus on relaxing our body, calming our mind, and connecting with our inner peace. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed, and let's begin. Sit in a comfortable position with your back straight and your hands resting on your lap. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, and slowly release it through your mouth. Feel the tension leaving your body with every breath. Now, let's focus on relaxing each part of our body, starting from the top of our head. Bring your attention to your scalp, and imagine a warm and soothing energy spreading through it. Feel any tension or stress leaving your scalp as you continue to breathe deeply. Now, move your attention down to your forehead and your eyebrows. Relax your forehead and let your eyebrows soften. Allow your eyes to gently close, and feel the weight of your eyelids. Move your focus to your cheeks and jaw. Release any tension you might be holding in your jaw and allow your face to relax completely. Now, bring your attention to your neck and shoulders. Breathe deeply into this area and visualize any tension leaving your body with every exhale. Release any knots or tightness in your shoulders and let them sink down. Moving down to your arms, let your arms become heavy and relaxed. Release any tension in your hands, fingers, and wrists. Now, bring your attention to your chest and your stomach. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any tension in this area. Allow your breath to become slow and steady. Move down to your hips and let them relax completely. Allow any tightness or discomfort in this area to melt away. Bring your attention to your legs, all the way down to your feet. Allow your legs to become heavy and relaxed as you feel any tension leaving your body. Take a moment to scan your body and notice any areas where you might still be holding tension. Breathe deeply into these areas and release any remaining stress. Now, let's focus on calming our mind. Allow any thoughts or worries to drift away, like clouds in the sky. Imagine a clear, blue sky above you, and let your mind become as clear and calm as that sky. If any thoughts or worries come up, gently acknowledge them and then let them go. Bring your focus back to your breath, allowing it to anchor you in the present moment. Feel the stillness and peace within you as you continue to breathe deeply. Imagine this peace spreading throughout your entire body. Now, let's let's take a moment to connect with our inner self. Bring to mind a time when you felt completely at peace and in harmony with yourself. Allow this feeling to fill your entire being and connect with the essence of who you are. As you continue to breathe deeply, feel this inner peace and harmony becoming stronger and more present within you. Take a few more deep breaths, feeling the peace and stillness within you. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes and return to the present moment. Thank you for joining me in this guided meditation. Remember, you can come back to this place of peace and calm anytime you need to. Take care, and have a peaceful day.